Hi, this is Claire with CORE Therapy and Pilates. In today's video, I wanted to just go over a diaphragmatic breathing technique as highlighted in our YouTube video and blog about breathing. So number one, you want to make sure you're lying on a comfortable surface, such as a yoga mat. You want to go ahead and get into your supine home position, which consists of having your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and back flat. So to initiate the diaphragmatic breathing process, I usually like to place my hands on my ribs here so I can feel if they are expanding or contracting. You want to go ahead and take a deep inhale. You should feel your ribs expand in your hands here, and deep exhale out of your mouth. You should feel your ribs come back together. You want to go ahead and repeat this for the desired amount of sets and reps and perform regularly to reap full benefits. Have a great day.